Ray, you coming to go find mommy? Come on. Where'd mommy go? Where's mommy hiding?
Back.
Let's go check in mommy's room. You go check mommy's room?
Yeah.
Go check. Hurry, run. Go to mommy's closet. Go to mommy's closet. Shh. Where'd she go? Come. You found her. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Come, we're gonna count and mommy go hide, okay? Okay, look over here. Look out. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's go find mommy. Go. Where could mommy go?
Up here.
Where mommy go? In laundry room? Go. Mommy not here. Okay, come on.
Daddy, lick up. Lick up.
Yeah, okay, come on.
Daddy cup.
Yeah, daddy cup. Go.
Daddy.
Is mommy in your room? Go check.
Check.
Mommy in your room?
Oh no,